Hey guys, welcome to my video. Okay, y'all, don't mind my hair. I was all outside and the wind and messed it up. But anyways, for today's video, we're gonna be doing a maintenance. Okay, and I love me a maintenance vlog, y'all. Let's talk about how my nails from my last maintenance still look so freaking good. Let's talk about that, okay? Because I'm just that nail tech. Anyways, I gotta wash my hair, blow dry it, and then I plan on straightening my hair, y'all, because it's last minute and I have nobody to braid my natural hair back, so I can just have cornrows. So I'm gonna just straighten it and I'll be able to do 3 braids, or I think my grandma will be able to do them. But I just need them as flat as possible. As you guys saw from the thumbnail, new year, new me. I'm excited because the blonde, I feel like it's gonna go with a lot of my clothes too. That was one thing I was kind of upset about when I had switched to red and blue, because they didn't go with my aesthetic. That's why they deleted it off my Instagram, because I was like, yeah, I'm doing this for fun, but it doesn't match my aesthetic, okay? Yeah, for new year, new me. We also need to clean this room, okay? I was depressed, but I'm not depressed no more because I finally got my car out the shop. So period. Also, if you guys notice, I'm taking a break from lash extensions and my lashes finally in now. Like, y'all see that? Like, a bitch actually got lashes now. But I just bought this Dior lash mascara, so I'm waiting for it to go in the mail and we gonna see if I see a difference. But I'm also gonna start putting oil on my eyelids because my eyelashes grew back just from me washing my face, I guess. I don't know. So to be honest, I think I'm gonna make my bed first and then get into the shower, because once I get out, the first thing I'm doing is blow drying my hair, and then I might give me a break. There's really no point. If anything, I might start I might start waxing my brows and my little mustache area. But anyways, let's get into this video. I did some cleaning. My room looks so much better now, and it already smells better. And I haven't even lit a candle yet. I just put some carpet powder. Usually carpet powder does the trick. But we're getting ready to wash my hair. But I also need to wash my... Bruh. I'm so fucking pissed, y'all. I went to the store today just to buy me a wig cap, and I totally forgot. Any wig you get, they automatically give you a wig cap. So I guess I went to the store for nothing. Okay, guys, I just have to tune in. When I was in the process of toning the wig, I forgot how strong purple shampoo is, y'all. And I almost fucked up the wig, y'all. Like, I noticed there was, like, a big area of, like, gray. And I was, like, so fucking mad, bro. Because I did not feel like going to the store and getting some blonde dye to, like, re-dye that. Or if anything, I was going to go on with, like, some white makeup. Like, I was going to figure something out. But I just hurry up and I went in with some soap and I tried my best to wash it out. And I don't know, I was hoping that when it dried that it wasn't like that noticeable. And it's still drying, but I feel like it looks like how I wanted it. Like a dirty blonde with a few highlights. I think it's gonna look so good, y'all. Like, I feel like you don't see like that yellow golden tone. It just looks like blonde. $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. Okay, guys, as you can see, I did my makeup and I curled my hair. I also had got my grandma to trim my ends. So now it's looking real good and healthy. Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm bad, yes, I'm bad. Most things that I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that. You got something real, not bad. Guys, so my nails are finally done. I don't even know how I feel about them, y'all, because I feel like there's a lot going on, and a part of me wishes I kind of did silver, but at the same time I just feel like gold was just more luxe than the silver, and it's like, yeah, new year, new me, or whatever. But this is how the nails look. Also, the reason why I wanted to do gold is because I also feel like this would just like go really good with the gold blonde hair versus the silver. Plus, yeah, I feel like I did that, like it eats. Hey guys, so I just got back from out of town. It's the 2nd, and I'm ready to install this wig and like actually make it feel like it's a new year. It's been raining today, y'all should have seen me trying to protect my hair. Like, it's already getting fuzzy. Actually, I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna start installing my Jasper. Okay guys, so I know I look like a hot mess because I just woke up, so don't mind that, y'all. But I'm excited, y'all, because I finally get to install my blonde wig. I've been waiting for this, y'all.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you mess around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Is you might really love her. The sex gon' be evidence. The sex is evidence. I try to rationate you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man. Now I'm a baby.
Yeah, y'all, you really have to trust the process, y'all, when it comes. Oh, I had a little hair in my mouth. But you really need to trust the process, y'all, when it comes to these blonde wigs. I feel like once I go in with the hot comb and a little spray, it's gonna like really eat it up. I think I'm gonna put into a claw clip because I need to take my dogs to Petco, so I'm not gonna make it look cute until I get home. I'm kind of scared to take the elastic band off because if it's not ready, it's gonna look like shit. But here we go. I think I should just take it off fast. Okay. Y'all see that? It's giving. This part, we need to get this part together. Okay. Y'all see that? And we're gonna curl it just to give it a little pop. Okay. But this is good enough for now. Okay. Alright, y'all, I just been sitting and I've been getting too comfortable, but you see the makeup on the part. I still kind of have to put a little bit of makeup on the lace, but I don't know, I feel like I should wait because like I haven't did no baby hairs, which I'm only gonna probably do 2 baby hairs and then some sideburns. But I'm already feeling like Barbie. Like, I'm definitely gonna, I don't know, I feel like I could probably do like a cute straight hairstyle though, especially since I did say I wanted layers. So I think I'm gonna try a little bone straight hairstyle, and like, I don't know, like we're gonna see. And yeah. Okay guys, I did my baby hairs. I just took my wig cap off. That's why you can kind of see like the line and stuff, but the wig is slid and it's done. I love it. I'm so happy I went in with these layers, because I think I was just gonna do a blonde cut, to be honest, and I feel like the layers are just giving. I just love how good this looks, y'all. And I like how it actually looks good. I'm happy. I feel like it only looks good because I plucked. I feel like if I didn't pluck it, it probably would have looked a little bad. But it looks hella good now.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else to love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way.
Yes, ma'am. Cause y'all see the bad bitch, y'all see. Yes, ma'am. Okay, y'all see how it's looking. This is so cute, y'all. I don't know, I just feel like I love my makeup because I had used some new products that I got, so I'm obsessed. But period, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this maintenance, leave a like. If you guys want to see an updated makeup routine, let me know, because I do my makeup now without lash extensions. So these are my real lashes, which they're super short, but they were not standing out like this about a month ago because I had plucked most of my lashes off. So now that my lashes are growing back, you can actually like kind of see them in makeup looks, and it looks so cute. But again, thank you guys for watching, and bye.